Hi, today I wanted to show you how to play Simon. This is a game I had when I was a kid, and this is a new version of it, but it's kind of cool. And you just basically just match the sounds that come up. So let's see. Okay. So you just keep on going like that. Oh, I messed up. So, anyways, that's how you can play Simon. As always, rock and roll, and of course, it does compute. If you like this or have amazing content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It totally does compute. Yeah, back in the day, the Simons was a lot bigger than this. This is a lot thinner and everything. But, anyways, technology.